back where I belong. Yeah, in my.
Hey guys, it's me, Justin. Welcome to my second episode of Biomes. Okay, so today's biome is Rainforest. Now, what is a rainforest exactly? A rainforest is like a swamp, jungle, or forest. There are there are lots of trees and it rains a lot, of course. Now, there are two types of rainforest: tropical and temperate. You can find rainforest in South America, Brazil, Southeast Asia, which is Indonesia, of course, the Eastlands in the Pacific, and West Africa. Temperate rainforests can be found in the Pacific coast of America, South Chile, the UK, which is the United Kingdom, Norway, Japan, New Zealand, and South Australia. Now, when I was editing the script for my video, I realized, wait, wouldn't this be talking about countries since originally I said what lived in what mostly had these forests, which were Indonesia and New Zealand. So what can live in rainforest are insects, arachnids, worms, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Plants that can grow in a rainforest are trees, flowers, and grass. Here's here's a fun fact before I end the video. And again, this is so short. You can press the like. Wait a minute. Here's a fun fact before I end the video. Indonesia and New Zealand are mostly covered by rainforest. Again, what was that fact? I have really short facts. Well guys, that's the end of the video. You can press the like button if you want to. This isn't my main content, so you can press subscribe or not. It's really up to you guys, really. Bye. Still, I don't know how to say a friendly bye. Why?
Back where I belong. Yeah, in my own mind. I'm back, baby. I feel like this climate is just right.